is sun salutation help to activate the chakras?
Absolutely. Every asana there will activate different chakras. There is a separate session I have conducted, almost 2 hours session. It was for sun salutation, right? So that was early morning, probably mostly 5 o'clock. We have conducted that session. You can visit that session. Yeah, you will find that whenever you are doing, say, Parvatasana, your Vishuddhi chakra is activated. Okay, you are doing Padahastasana, again your Swadhisthana and Manipur is activated. You are doing Sarpasana or Bhujangasana, definitely your Vishuddhi as well as your Manipur chakra is activated. Even Anahata chakra is activated, but it is not mentioned anywhere. Okay, you are doing your Ashwa Sanchalanasana, your Ajna chakra is activated, right? So your chakras are activated even during sun salutation. You are absolutely right, Dhananjay. Absolutely right.
Even I'm feeling that after doing the sun salutations, even I'm practicing last 100 days. I'm almost starting the November.
Great.
I feel that it give us a lot of immune system now.
Absolutely.
It's increase our immune system.
Absolutely. The immune system will be very much activated. Of course, you will have to also expose yourself to different microorganisms and gardening, soil. Okay, the immune system will be more activated. That's true. Yeah, Vipin.
Yeah, because this, the subject is quite vast. So can we connect with you? Because, identifying the chakra which is working and which is not. And there are, pranayam, then bandha and all. So can we connect with you?
Sure. You can connect. You can ping me sometimes. Maybe on Saturday, Sunday, I generally conduct whatever difficulties are there or challenges are there. So Saturday, Sunday, I can set up a time and definitely you can connect. No worries about it. My email is there. My number is there to everybody with everybody. So no worries about it. Yeah, Jairaj.
Thank you.
Is there any order in which the chakras need to be activated, or is it we can do certain say sun salutation or any other kind of asanas and then activate specific chakras?
Yeah, actually, the generally the sense of which chakra is not activated will give the therapeutic approach towards the activation of chakra. But it is found that sun salutation is such a combination of this 5 and 7 to 12 steps that it takes care of complete activation across the body generally. But so otherwise what will happen if you do only a Ajna chakra activation? Your Ajna chakra will be activated, but your whole body will be dull. Okay, you'll find people whose chakras are activated, some chakras are activated and they are not in sync, correct? So people have a lot of philosophy and no smile on the face, for example. So there is nothing, so the activation is not correct, right? So there is sequence. As such a sequence, the best thing is it is given in sun salutation, the activation is proper that way. It is also given for by Dhirendra Brahmachari in his book that if you do Sukshma Yoga, it is basically a starting of channelizing of energy. So Sukshma Yoga, which it says that right from the tip of your finger to the tip of toes, slowly it should be activated. So automatically the chakras will be activated. Okay, we don't have to do, otherwise you'll say was like a punching on heart. Similarly, we should just go and activate our Anahata chakra, activate our Vishuddhi chakra. No, it's not like that. It's like a compatible energy to the body. It's very important. It's not uneven energy of the body. Okay. So thank you everybody. Let's do one thing. What we should do, and after that I will tell you the observation. Very important conclusion which we will. Those people have some question, and this answer I will give you after this particular experiment. Okay, so we'll do that, and then we'll do small meditation. Okay, so let's start with this particular example. Okay. So what we should do, we should keep our hands this way. This is a Bhastrika. Okay. Open our hands and throw your breath out. Okay. Let everything come out of your nose. No worries. Relax. Take a deep breath. Breathe out. Observe your mind. Breathe in. Breathe out. Observe your breath now. Breathe in. Slowly breathe out. Breathe in. Slowly breathe out. Concentrate on your breath. Breath sound. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Slowly breathe out. Rub your palms. Rub them on your face. Ear. Slowly open your eyes. Tell me, when you are doing Bhastrika and concentrating on your breath, how many people have how many thoughts? 0. Am I right? So what is the conclusion? Conclusion is that
it was I am doing right or wrong. So that was the thing. Though we were probably thinking about breathing.
Yeah, we were thinking about breathing. So when we concentrate on breathing, the thoughts will not be generated. Okay. So if you would have, probably on video I would have definitely checked. But if you breathe in, when your breathing is faster, your thoughts are close to 0. There may be vague thoughts, but the thoughts are unclear. That is going towards the 0. When you are concentrated completely on breathing, your thoughts are zeroids. That is not the case if you concentrate on something else. Right? So to control a mind, control of breathing is required, and your attention will be required on your breath to zeroize your thoughts. So that is the answer of how to control a mind. Concentrate on breath, not on thoughts. Right? So okay, thank you.